Hi guys, welcome to part 3 of my video series How to Overcome Depression and Rebuilding Your Self-Confidence and Self-Esteem. In part 1 we talked about the relationship between correcting your posture related to depression and low self-esteem. In part 2 we talked about improving your gut health and gut harmony, and in this episode I will talk about improving your mental health and your sleep. Depression is related to chronic exhaustion, so a poor sleep, and that's directly related to an imbalance between the left and the right brain. So when we have a poor sleep or are depressed, it's a stressor, and it means that the left brain is more dominant. The left brain is our fight or flight reaction, and our right brain is our related to our parasympathetic, our sleep, rest, and repair processes in the body. So it's really important that we keep a balance in these two brains, the left and right brain. And the two exercises I took today will be beneficial to that. The first one is the alternated nose trail. You can do this right before you go to bed. Looks like this. So what you do, inhale, relax, two-third belly breathing, one-third chest, and alternate with an inhale. And the second exercise is named the cross crawl. It looks like this. So breathe in. When you bring your knee and elbows together, you breathe out. Try to keep the movements slow. It's also a little bit challenging for your balance. A little bit further. Breathe in. Breathe out. So these two exercises, like I told, balance the left and the right brain. The opposite of depression is always expression. So go outside, don't stay in your house. Keep an open posture, and by activating the right brain, that's our creative brain, it's the opposite of depression. So depression, expression. I hope you guys find this vlog useful, also with the two earlier vlogs, and comment your experiences, share them with me, and in the future I will be sending you more stuff. So peace and one love.